Okay, one second. There's some people who are agitated. Let's see if we can get some questions. One second.
What he has done for the last 1 month?
What is your problem? Why do you think there's a problem? Why do you think there's a problem? Why is there a problem?
Problem is, if he has made some promise with the people, he should fulfill all the promise, and he cannot do it. At least he is a CM. CM must know what is the ministries are under him. All the ministers are under him. And what is his responsibilities? How he can fulfill all the responsibility?
You think he's not being able to?
Yeah. No.
Look at these people. Some of them are walking out. They're so disappointed. Atishi, with Kejriwal. I just want to do a show of hands. I want to do a show of hands in the audience. One second. Just 1 second. Hear me out before replying. Do you think 1 month is enough to judge the Aam Aadmi Party government, or should they be given more time? क्या आम आदमी पार्टी गवर्नमेंट को किसी भी तरीके से जज करने से पहले और टाइम देना चाहिए? 1 second. Let's take it one by one. You have a point?
My question to is, ma'am, that we had voted for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. We belong to his constituency. From the last 20 days, we are not able to see him in our constituency. We are the aspirant of government services and government exams. We are not able to connect him. So where should we go?
He promised to be accessible. He's as inaccessible as others. Atishi must respond. One by one, I'm coming to everyone. Atishi, respond. Your chief minister as inaccessible as Congress and BJP chief ministers. How are you different? Atishi, do you have an answer?
Yes. First of all, let us be clear that when...
One by one, Atishi, respond to that question. Go on.
एक सेकंड, शांति रखिए.
ऐसे नहीं होगा. आप लोग बैठिए. आप लोग बैठिए. उन्होंने सवाल पूछा. ऐसे नहीं होगा. आप बैठिए. आप लोग बैठिए, मैं आऊंगा. आप बैठिए.
शांति रखिए. आप सब शांति रखिए. बिल्कुल.
सबको मौका मिलेगा. आएंगे. आप बैठिए. He's asked a question. 1 second. He's asked a question. Atishi, respond.
Yes. The thing is, Arvind, we have been in power for 20 days.
Yes.
If you were to
One
say
month.
in 1 month he's been in power. If you were to be accessible in your constituency for all those 30 days, the question we would have raised is, oh no, decisions have been taken. Second?
1 second, yeah.
Why he is wasting his time to prepare in Lok Sabha election? Instead of wasting his time in Lok Sabha election, he should concentrate on his constituency.
It's a complete Dramewaj party, like item girl.
Why do you feel that?
It's a complete finished party. Like a complete finished party.
What is your problem? Why don't you think it is important for Kejriwal to try and do some work? He says he's busy working, which is why he's not able to come to the constituency.
Actually, he is busy in preparing for Lok Sabha election. Instead of you are concentrating on Lok Sabha election. You should go to your constituency. He's saying that he will arrange it. But I haven't seen him.
One by one. Let her answer these questions. I'll come back to all of you. Sit down. I'll come back to you. Let her answer the question. You are preparing for the Lok Sabha elections. You have no time to come and do the main job of administering Delhi. Atishi.
There are several...
You asked a question, now here. Go on, Atishi.
There are lots of leaders, lots of volunteers in the party. Yes, some of our leadership is involved in running Delhi, but they are not the ones who are involved in preparing for the Lok Sabha elections. As you might know, that the charge of leading the Lok Sabha elections has been given to Yogendra Yadav, Pankaj Gupta and Sanjay Singh.
Okay, one by one. Are we being... एक मिनट.
एक बच्चा भी 9 महीने बाद पैदा होकर बाहर आता है. 1 महीने में कुछ नहीं होता है. टाइम देना पड़ेगा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को. उनको ज्यादा टाइम देना पड़ेगा. कांग्रेस और बीजेपी तो ऐसे पीछे पड़ गई है कि बस अभी उनको हाथ में सरसों करना चाहती है. कुछ तो टाइम देना पड़ेगा ना.
As you can see, the mood is very divided. There are no clear answers. That lady says it takes 9 months for a baby also to emerge from a mother's womb. You must give Kejriwal some more time. Are we not being too harsh, Sudhanshu Mitra?
Rahul, Mr. Kejriwal has all the time he wants, because in democracy, we have nobody to give him time. It's a mandate and it's the government he runs, they have all the time. I have just one question to ask. I just heard the issue of accessibility and how accessible will they be. Do you imagine that the Aam Aadmi is shying away from Aam Aadmi Party? The Aam Aadmi Party is shying away from the Aam Aadmi. What has happened to the Janata Darbar? I was told that look, we are accessible to the Janata. Let Janata come, let Janata decide, let everything. Suddenly, after announcing the Janata Darbar with so much of fanfare, I've been told it has been discontinued.
Atishi, that's the promise you made. You would be accessible. You would do Janata Darbar. Just because one Janata Darbar failed, you cancel the whole idea. Is
So
that
Janata
not
is no more Aam
on all
Aadmi.
these people?
See, the
Just
Janata
look
is
at
no
how
more Aam
agitated
Aadmi.
they are. Atishi.
Two responses. First of all, to your earlier comment that the mood is divided, I would actually encourage this. I feel that people should ask these questions of everyone. This is a very healthy sign in democracy.
So how
Number
is
one.
this a healthy sign? We are having trouble control this crowd.
No,
People
this
are
should be
agitated.
controlled.
How
But
can
the
this, Shobha, can this be considered a healthy sign where people are almost breaking each other's heads? They are out on the streets fighting with each other. Is this a healthy sign? Atishi says it's a healthy sign.
Rahul, democracy, we cannot make a mockery of democracy like this. The Aam Aadmi Party, as a woman said, that it is too early to judge them. But then who put the expectation in the mind of the people? Then the Aam Aadmi come. Here I am reminded of Newton's law that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. With the speed the Aam Aadmi came, I suppose it will wind up with the
You know, there's somebody
same
who
speed.
works with the